Hello guys! Andito po tayo ngayon sa Nagcarlan, Laguna. We are here at San Bartolome Apostol Parish Church. So, ito po yung harapan ng church. As you can see, it is so hot today because it is Lent season. So, marami po ngayong nagbibisita iglesia dito sa simbahang ito. So, if you are going to visit this church, please do bring an umbrella and have sunscreen kasi sobrang init po talaga ng panahon. So as you can see, this church was established in 1578 by Franciscan missionaries, and it was showcases by Baroque architecture. So, di ba po ang ganda ng church na ito? So, this is one of our favorite churches because of its structural design. Konting trivia lang po, every August 24, the community celebrates the feast of Saint Bartolomeo with vibrant festivities. So this church also plays a central role in the Ana Kalang Festival, featuring the traditional Kalang-Kalang dance, reflecting the town's rich cultural heritage. As you can see, marami pong nagbebenta sa gilid, so if ever po magutom tayo, wala pong problema. This is the front of the church. Later, we will go inside the church because, as you can see, it is so hot today. Masakit po sa balat yung tirik ng araw. My God. We will go inside the church now. Marami pong tao ngayon kasi maraming nagbibisita iglesia. This is the church inside. As you can see, it is old but it is beautiful. Let's explore inside the church. Ayan po, maraming nagbibisita iglesia. Okay, let's watch this video. I'm going at the front of the church. I will be silent this time because it is not allowed to talk loudly inside the church. If you guys want to visit this church, it is located in Barangay Poblacion, Nagcarlan, Laguna. You can also visit the near Nagcarlan Underground Cemetery if you want. So that's it for today's guys. Thank you very much for watching and see you again for my next vlog. Thank you!